Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Settings, choose Connections, then toggle NFC on and Android Beam remains deprecated. This enables the phone radio that reads and writes tags. Swipe down to open Quick Settings and tap the NFC tile to enable it quickly. You can also search settings for NFC to find the option faster. Keep the back of the phone within 4 cm of the NFC tag and hold for about 2 seconds. Look for an on-screen confirmation or vibration to confirm the tag was read successfully. Set your default tap-to-pay app, for example Samsung Wallet or Google Wallet, in Settings. Open Wallet, add your card, and follow the bank verification steps when prompted. Hold the back center of the phone to the payment terminal and keep it for 2 seconds to complete the transaction. To read NFC tags, open a compatible app or use the built-in reader by tapping the tag to the back of the phone. Open the Wallet app and select the card before tapping for the fastest contactless payment. Turn off battery optimization for your Wallet app to prevent background NFC delays. Go to Settings, Apps, Wallet, and set battery to unrestricted so the app stays ready. Restart the phone if NFC stops working, and install the latest software updates immediately to fix known bugs. The NFC antenna sits near the top center of the S24 Ultra back cover near the camera module, so aim that area at tags. If tags still fail, remove metal cases or magnetic mounts and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.